Alright guys, so Chattogram Winter Open 2024 is tomorrow. I'm really excited. It is currently around 8 p.m. and I am going there by a bus, so I believe it'll take around 7 to 8 hours to get there, as it is in a totally different city, so it's definitely gonna take a while to get there. So now I'm probably just gonna have my dinner and then just pack up my cubes, and then we should be ready to be leaving. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. Alright, so here are some of the cubes I'm going to be taking to the competition. Okay guys, so we have arrived. It is currently 5:30 a.m. so the sun has not risen yet. We are waiting for the sun to rise and then we'll be heading out for breakfast and then go to the competition. দুইটা কর্নার প্লিজ average. Okay guys, so right now I literally don't have anything to say. I broke my first ever national record, which is something I did not expect at this competition. It's like a 47, a low 47 average is just crazy because I don't even average sub 50 at home yet. Like I average around 50 to 51 at home. So a 47 average is crazy.
Mega Mixer champion and our average 47.18 Navid an hour.
So we are at Radisson for dinner, and this is an extremely nice place. Some desserts, salad, sushi,